y'all, so I'm currently watching Hulu and getting my to-do list together for tomorrow and Saturday. It's Micah's birthday. Well, Micah's birthday is coming up, so I'm just getting everything situated so I know what I need to do so we can make it a great birthday weekend for Micah. So I guess whenever I'm getting stuff situated for the little birthday party or whatever, I'll just catch up with y'all then. Okay, so I just put the stuff in the party bags really quick. I just did Baby Shark because he likes Baby Shark, but overall just wanted to make sure that everything is like green because that's like his favorite color. So I'll show y'all what I put in the party bags because everything is in here except for the candy. So let me just take out one of them so y'all can see. Okay, so each bag has the green glow stick that goes around your neck with the lanyard, a little bouncy ball that lights up when you throw it. There's that. They have a bubbles on a lanyard that goes around their necks, and then these little puzzle things, and then a kazoo, which I'm sure the parents are gonna love me for getting those for their children, and then the little glow stick bracelets, and it has the little adapter inside of there too. And then the last thing I have to add is candy, which I still need to go get. I just couldn't find any that I liked at Target. So for the candy, I'll probably go to Party City and see what they have. But let me show y'all what else I got really quick. So these are the green balloons I was able to find because when Micah wakes up in the morning, I'm just gonna have like balloons and stuff all over his room. And then I found some of these to go on the cake. There's 6 green ones in here. I'm thinking about doing 3 on the cake because I couldn't find a 3 that was green, and the ones that were green had glitter on them, and that's kind of girly. So, and then I have these for cake, and then these are for pizza. Okay, so yeah, I just went ahead and threw those together while the boys are taking a nap. And now all I have to do is make sure that I keep Micah out of my closet because now that it's clean, I have space to come in here and do this type of stuff. But yeah, I don't really want him to see anything until tomorrow because he doesn't really know what's going on. He just knows tomorrow is his birthday. So okay, while I got the time, I'm gonna go ahead and get some of these balloons blown up. At first, I was thinking I wanted to do helium in some of them, but I'm gonna just let them be all over the floor because he likes to play with them. And then people be charging an arm and a leg for helium anyway, so not gonna go through another obstacle when, you know, everything can just be flowing and smooth and me doing it on my own. So that's what I'm about to do now while I have the time since they're still asleep. And then when Micah gets up from his nap, I'm gonna wake him up. I'm gonna go ahead and give him a bath so I can wash his hair.
Making up a cake for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it. Wanna hug you, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you don't hesitate when you bite it. Feeling cushy, boy, let it get. Making up a cake for you, bite it. This type shit have you. Dip, 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 dip. Just when it feels to the island. Dip, 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 dip. Just type shit have you, violent. Dip, 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 dip. That's when it feels to the island. Dip, 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 dip. This type shit have you violent. Don't hesitate, 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 hesitate. Like it when you don't hesitate, 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 hesitate. Like it when you don't hesitate, when you like it when you don't hesitate, when you chip dip, chip dip, chip dip, chip dip. Like it when you chip dip, chip dip, chip dip. I wanna hug you, like it when you dip, 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 dip. Like it when you dip, 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 dip. Bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you don't hesitate when you bite it. Feeling cushy, boy, let it get. Making up a cake for you, bite it. This type shit have you. Dip, 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 dip. Just when it feels to the island. Dip, 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 dip. This type shit have you. Dip, dip, dip. type shit, have you wildin'? Last minute trips to the islands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it, cause you know I like it. They can have a cake for you.
Come on, let me get your toes.
No!
Why?
Put this down here.
You scared?
No, I'm not scared. No, I'm not scared.
Okay, his hair's all done. Now he's eating pizza. I'm watching Little Rascals. You gonna show everybody your hair?
No,
Okay. What's tomorrow?
it's my birthday.
It's your birthday?
Yay!
Do you know how old you're turning? Okay, so while Micah's in the living room still watching Little Rascals, I'm going through his toys to take out stuff that he either doesn't play with or just like doesn't need to be in here. And right now I'm just putting it in a little tote, and then I'm gonna just drop everything off at Goodwill because there's no point in hoarding the toys that he doesn't play with, regardless of how long he's had them. So, okay, so this will probably be all that I get rid of. But he has this ball pit. I got it for him for his first birthday. Never played with it. All he does is dump the toys out everywhere and then does not pick them up. He has this little cleaning set. He played for it like briefly when he first got it, but not so much anymore. And then just like some miscellaneous toys in here that he doesn't really play with. So all his old trucks I got rid of because he just got like every truck possible for Christmas. And then of course his birthday is tomorrow. So okay, y'all, it's currently 3 a.m. I have a few more of these balloons that I need to blow up and put in Micah's room, but the ones that are already blown up I'm about to go take in there. I have the foil 3, but it's gold. I couldn't find a green one, so I'll put that on his door, and then I'm about to put all the balloons in there and I'm gonna show y'all everything. Okay, so the balloons that I put in there was like a good amount. I guess I didn't think I blew up that many, but I'm gonna just do 6 more, 2 of each one, and then just do those. And then he said that he wants pigs in a blanket for breakfast in the morning, so I'm gonna go roll the weenies up. That way in the morning when he wakes up, all I gotta do is pop them in the oven for like 10 minutes. And then I'm about to get ready for bed because I already know tomorrow gonna be a long day and I need all the sleep I can get, because when I take a nap tomorrow, I'm gonna be ripping and running again. So I guess I'll see y'all in the morning, or it's already morning. I guess I'll see y'all whenever Micah wakes up and realizes it's his birthday. Okay, what we got? Uh-oh.
What was that?
What was it?
I put the moon.
You want to take us in your room so we can see the rest of them?
The rest of them?
Yeah, let's go in your room so we can see.
Mom!
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Mommy!
What you got?
And the other thing. I tickle.
Good job. No, it's not my birthday. It's your birthday.
It's my birthday.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Micah.
Happy birthday, Micah.
Okay, let's get his birthday breakfast situated. I think 3 should be enough for him for now. What you want to drink?
Yes.
It's hot, okay, so be careful.
What happened? Is that dogs?
No, it's pigs.
It's pigs?
Mm-hmm.
It's pigs.
Yep, pigs in a blanket.
Pigs in a blanket.
Mm-hmm.
Pig, pig, pig. Pig, pig.
You okay?
Yes.
Okay, let me see what you got.
Yes.
What you got going?
It's blue.
You playing soccer or what you doing?
No, I'm gonna test.
Dropping like some motherfucking type of nigga that can look me in the eyes. I despise when I see you. Better put that fucking pride to the side. Many times, plenty times, I survive. Beef is live. Spoiler alert, this nigga dies.
Good job. Okay, y'all, just made it back home. Micah went home with his daddy from his little birthday party, shindig, whatever you want to call it. But all of his gifts and stuff are in the car. I just came up here real quick to lay Jace down. I don't even think I showed y'all Jace, but him and Micah had on the same shirt. But I'm about to go get all of Micah's gifts out of the car. He did not open gifts because he was so ready to go back and play. He was like, whatever. So whenever he comes back home, which will probably be tomorrow, I'll like show y'all everything that he got, kind of just like I did last year. So this is probably gonna be it for tonight. I'm about to wind down and get ready to watch Power because I thought it would come back on last week, but it didn't. So you ready to open your birthday presents?
Yeah.
Which one you gonna open first?
This one.
Okay, open it. Let's see what's in there. Take the paper out the bag. Let's see what you got. What you got?
I got
You got blocks? Hold on, let me help you. Oh, Lord, you clumsy.
this one.
Okay, let's see what you got. You got to take the paper out.
Look, go on like that.
What is that?
It's paper.
It's paper. It's a card.
It's a card.
It's from Amy.
No.
I'm dead. What is that?
I don't know.
It's a fishing pole. Oh, no, that's for Jace. That's for Jace. That's not yours. Mimi bought that for Jace.
Mimi, but oh, this one.
What you got?
No, I got two.
Let me see. Oh, you see the number 2? What is that? Let's see what it is.
It's number two.
It is, oh, you got bath litters. It's for you to play with in the bathtub since you get in the tub and don't ever want to get out. Open up your blue bag.
My blue bag.
Yeah, which bag is blue?
This one.
No, yeah, that bag is blue, but it's not for you. I'm talking about this one.
I talk about this.
Yeah, open up that one. That blue bag is yours. Well, you not even gonna look and see what it is?
Mom.
Baby, he is not with the clothes. He say, I need a toy. You excited?
Yeah.
Let me see the shirt, because, baby, this shirt can turn him up. Okay, so this one was an outfit set with the shirt. It comes with 2 pairs of pants. You could, like, switch them out. And then it came with a little bomber jacket, which I think is cute.
Mommy, here.
Okay, thank you, everybody, for my gifts.
Thank you for my gifts.
Thank you. Say thank you,
Thank you,
everybody,
everybody,
for my gifts.
for my gifts.
Say, and thank you
Thank you
for all the birthday wishes.
our birthday wishes.
Whose birthday was it?
My birthday.
How old did you turn? Remember what I told you? You're not 2 anymore. How old are you?
3. Number
Good
3.
job. Good job. Okay, first of all, I tell this boy to sing a song, and the first thing that comes to his head is Sticked Up by the Baby.
He's sticked by the baby.
Sticked Up by the Baby.
I want to say bricked up by the baby.
Blicked up.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Micah think he know every song that come on the radio now. I ain't gonna lie, he got a good little taste in music, so I don't be tripping. But that boy started singing Blicked Up. That's what he called the song, Blick. He say Bicked Up. He don't know how to say Blick. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank y'all for tuning in. I'm just about to wind down and let him finish playing with his toys before it's time for him to go to bed. So I guess we'll see you in the next vlog. You want to tell the vlog bye? Say bye, vlog.
No, vlog. This is a E.
That is not an E.
What's this?
What color is it?
Red.
Now you know that is not no red. What color is that?
It's a blue.
Is
Oh,
what color? What color is this?
it's yellow.
Okay then.
Good job.
Good job. Okay, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Say bye.
Bye.